Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today in this video we'll see how to convert the PPT file to the MP4 file. That means a video file. So if you ever have a requirement where you have to convert your PPT file to the MP4 for the assignment or any other purposes, then this video is for you. So we'll see how to do that. So here I have 4 PPT slide, 2, 3, 4. So to convert to the MP4, first you have to go to the file, then click on export, then create a video. Then here you can see the quality of video you can choose. And then if you have a recording on your video, then you can go on the second option, but I don't have any recordings, so I have to go for first option. And here you can select how much second you want to spend in each slide. For example, 5 seconds in my case. Then click on create a video. Then you can save this file as a MP4 on the place where you want to save. I will choose download for now. So if you go and check the file and play the MP4, then your PPT has turned to the video file. Each page will spend 5 seconds. So this is how you create your PPT file to the MP4 file. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.